Hey guys, welcome to Praxie Best Practices. Today I'm going to show you how to create and work with basic huddle boards. Okay, let's get started. When you come into your huddle board, you'll see the basic huddle board here. You can also click here and get rid of this and add your own logo by browsing whatever logo you want into the system. And to get started, come to the Get Started page. There's a number of things you can do. You can invite your team, send a help request if you want more help on setting up or you'd like to get an advanced huddle board I'll talk about in a minute. And if you click the Let's Go, it'll walk you through a tutorial that takes you step by step on how to go through the huddle board itself. There are a couple other features up on the main menu here. One is the team meetings. In the team meetings area, you can add new meetings by clicking here. Here's an example meeting, and you can add your minutes items, who's responsible in the agenda, etc. You can add participants and fill out the forms. In addition, take notes, and down here you can add new action items for team members, assign those team members, etc., and then track all of those. Where you track them is here in the open meetings list here, and you can see there's the open items that are from the two meetings that I just showed you. You can also see a list of all the items or the completed items, etc. Finally, when you go to your huddle board, you can really begin to work with it and set it up. You see there's a number of letters that have already been created here under a standard SQDC setup. And there's some additional huddle cards that have been created. And each of these are different. They work slightly differently, and you fill them out, add the information, etc. Or if you want to add other templates, you can add them from our templates library here, add the different templates, or you can go ahead and click on the bottom here and create your own. So that's basically it. And if you need help, you can come here and also send us information. We'll help you set up the huddle board if you'd like. The last thing I'd point your attention to is here's an upgrade to your huddle board. And if you click on here, you can see all the different kinds of capabilities that Praxie has in their digital shop floor solution. You can watch a video here and see all the great things we can do to help you optimize your shop floor. So that's it. That's how you set up and manage a basic digital huddle board.